Hello everyone, and once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by IMS. So everyone have been seeing on the YouTube channel ki sir, you guys are only talking about CLAT 2026 aspirants. Yes, it's true because their exam is going to happen. But what about CLAT 2027? We are also there in this journey. We are also preparing. So yes, explicitly for all the CLAT 2027 aspirants who are going to give your CLAT exam in the next year, sir, what that journey should look like. So already on our YouTube channel, there was a session and a video about a 15-month plan. If you have not watched it and they're on our YouTube channel for the first time, please go and check that video. Okay. There would be some important links which in the entire session I'm going to tell you about. All those links are given in the description. So don't miss out onto those links. Okay. Now the question which is bothering in many students' mind who's preparing for CLAT 2027, is it too early to start my preparation because we are in the month of November, or maybe when you are watching, maybe the month December comes, or is it the right time? So that is one question which I'm going to break it down in this entire session. So this might look like a strategy part of the session, but I would going to talk about that whether it is actually right to start or not. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with this session. And guys, remember, if you are there for the very first time on our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because when you subscribe and hit the like button, we like it and we get motivation. Chalo, let's start with the session. So let's first understand ki presently I'm at what level. So I believe that if a student who's preparing for CLAT 2027 is in class 11th, majorly the students are in class 11. There might be some students who are in 12th and they might give it later on, but that is a very extreme situation. But presently you are in 11th and you will going to appear for your exams, which is going to come in the month of February or March, depending upon what board exam you are in. So your exams are going to be around March 2026. CLAT 2027 is expected, like similarly it has happened in the past 4-5 years, that they have shifted it to December. So that is what we are expecting कि वो December में ही exam होगा, but the date we don't know, but that is an expected part. And at present you have roughly 11 to 12 months. Now why 11? It could be even less than that. You might be thinking, sir, calculation mistake. No, it's not that thing. There is no calculation mistake. The only thing is the last 2 months, 1.5 months, and in the entire 12 months, if you vision, like you see, March month, you will have your exam, or February month, you will have your exam. So you will going to be wholeheartedly dedicated towards your exams. So wo 30 days, 15 days will going to go. Then there will be some assignment preparation and everything is going to be there. So wahan bhi 10-15 days will go. And thoda bahut celebration mein you guys don't listen to us also, hai na? So that is where somewhere 1.5 month waste hoga. Yeah, you will going to give it into some another things. And even in the class 12th when you will going to enter, wahan pe bhi aap logo pre boards, midterms, tests. So in sab ki totality, if I'll see, kahin na kahin 1.5 months to 12 months will going to go your waste in your school time. So that is where we'll say 10 to 11 months or maybe 12 months, but exactly you don't have 365 days. So the question again comes, is it too early? You have to answer and drop into the comments and let us know कि नहीं sir, it is not too early. Or you'll say yes, it's too early, I'll start it from April. ठीक है, चलो. So let's understand that what we are going to do it, whether we are going to spread the load in the entire year, or we're going to take everything over us at the last part, because when we are seeing some CLAT 2026 students who have started preparing from June, July, maybe after their summer vacations, they are quite anxious कि हमसे तो नहीं हो रहा, we are not able to do it. Why? Because they've fallen option number 2. So that's why we'll say let's start now. So start now means you have to spread the load over the entire 1 year. That I'm going to do everything consistently, उसको divide करूंगा so that everything doesn't come onto me एक साथ. Or the second option is let's gonna start late, boards, CLAT, coaching, everything is going to come on your mind is pressure. And you guys are already handling pressure. You are going to schools, you already have your tuitions which are going on, maybe commerce, humanities, whatever subject you are taking classes. और if there are any science students, they are taking their own classes, तो वहाँ भी जा रहा है. फिर ये CLAT की online classes, offline classes will also going to be there. And if you have not joined any of the batch, go and check out the description where the links are provided for the upcoming batches which are starting from the month of December explicitly for CLAT 2027. Please go and check it out. Okay, so let's understand that particular part as well. So I don't want to be in option 2, right? I want to be in option 1. मैं इधर ही lie करना चाहता हूँ. So अब let's say कि अभी journey आगे आगे बढ़ी एंड मैं अपना लोड स्प्रेड करना चाह रहा था. नाउ आई एम इन 12th ऑलरेडी. तो 12th में व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. नाउ इस सेशन का द ओवरऑल पर्पस इज वी नीड टू विजन कि if I start right now what I'm going to see things, या फिर मैं बाद में ही चालू करता हूँ, let me just go and see the bumpy ride. तो मैं विजन कर रहा हूँ. तो right now I'm in 12th, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स उसका प्रेशर, practical work, school projects, family, peer pressure, expectations, everything is going to come together. So all these pressurizing points needs to be divided. इसलिए I will going to go with option 1. You let me know in the comments कि you will going to with which option 1 या 2 के साथ. चलो. So let's start with this part where I have divided in multiple parts कि my present focus area क्या रहना चाहिए. And the first and the foremost is about the habit, and that habit is the daily reading habit. तो मुझे daily reading में what I have to do? If you are a student who have not started your preparation till now, that means you are already a part of an institute. Whether you are part with IMS or some another institute, but you have not started studying. You are just attending lectures and understanding what they are saying, but पढ़ना चालू नहीं किया है. Please listen it properly. But the ones who have still not joined any institute and not started, they also have to listen to this part importantly, that 20 to 30 minutes of your daily reading should go either towards your editorials, either towards your opinions or the long article. So everything is going to be there in which part of your source, in the newspaper and the magazines which you refer. You don't have to refer any extra material. But when we talk about reading of the newspaper, a lot many times students say, sir, how we will going to cover up the entire paper? ये मुझसे होगा कैसे? You don't have to cover up the entire paper. Just open the paper, see what all important news you consider is impacting the national and the international forums. Those news becomes important, and certain economic, business related news, you start with this. You might be reading Times of India, you might be reading Hindustan Times, or you might be reading The Hindu or Indian Express. Irrespective of the paper, please maintain this thing, that is daily reading habit. अगर ये फोकस एरिया नहीं है तो ये हेल्प नहीं करेगा. इससे मल्टीपल चीजें आई गोइंग टू बी कवर्ड अप. वो क्या होगा? फास्ट रीडिंग हो जाएगी, बेटर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग वोकैबुलरी. बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल रीड द पेपर in CLAT, it is a reading intensive paper. Also talking about a paper called A-Led, which is for NLU Delhi, that also become an important part because both the papers, offline papers, are reading intensive. And when I get a newspaper and read, my mind starts working. Initially you might find it difficult, you might not be able to grab it, but आप common topic के touch में रहोगे. There was a conversation which I was having with one of the existing students who is preparing for CLAT 27, and she said, sir, I read the newspaper. I put up a question, tell me what you have read in the newspaper. Now this is one activity which all of you have to do. ये करने के बाद let me know in the comment section कि did it helped or not, है ना? You have to say it, yes sir, it helped me. Okay. So what was that? I asked her कि what you have studied in this entire newspaper on the past one day. She said कि sir, some summit was there and I read about it. So that summit is going to happen where? Is India part of that summit? She was not able to answer. Now what's the sense in reading that newspaper? That means when you are reading a newspaper, at the end of the day, you have to put up one question. This is an activity. You have to put up a question. What have I read? What are those topics? The moment those topics click on your mind, pick up a paper or a book and write those topics. That's it. Then when you'll revisit those particular topics after a week, you will come to know about what topics you have already read. This is most important thing. ठीक है, करना, मुझे बताना. Yes sir, it helped. Okay, moving to here. Sources क्या है? Newspapers, online portals and blogs. Any portal, any blog, any newspaper, pick it up, maintain a daily habit. Then you have to level it up. Whether you are at Times of India right now, you have to level it up to Indian Express or the Hindu. Okay, majorly the sections are the editorial section and the explain section of Indian Express. ये पढ़ोगे तो help होगा ही. चलो, coming this to part. So my focus points is law, politics, economy, international, social issues, geopolitical news. All these are the topics which I have to focus on the newspaper. Daily reading करो, help करेगा. Only half an hour. हाफ एन आवर कहाँ चलाता है? फोन को साइड रखोगे तो ही 1 hour मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो. कमिंग बैक टू द पार्ट, द सेकेंड एरिया इज करंट अफेयर्स. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट कि सर ये मैंने ऑलरेडी इस पे एक ब्रीफ दिया था, उसी को सपोर्ट करते हुए यू हैव टू कवर एटलीस्ट 12 months ऑफ योर करंट अफेयर्स बिफोर द क्लैट. सो प्रेजेंटली सर वट एवर आई एम डूइंग, इज इट नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट? It will going to become important if you have the habit. That means today some event happened and some event related with that happened in the next year, तो उससे connect करके आपको पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. You have to go deep down into it. You have to study more about it. पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. अगर पढ़ोगे तो help करेगा. तो इसलिए again editorial opinions, long articles. Make short notes. Yes, very much suggested कि short notes बनाना ही चाहिए on daily basis. तो एक part मैंने already बताया था, make notes for the topics. पर ये revisionary notes थे. कैसे? The entire day I read the newspaper, recall what all topics done. 5th day 6th day से आपको खुद ब खुद याद हो जाएगा. You'll easily be able to do it. Important judgments, news, laws, bill, amendments, government schemes, committees, international organization, events. So you'll see, one is reading of newspaper helping in this part, then reading of newspaper is also helping in the current affairs part. तो दोनों चीजों में it is definitely going to help you to stay updated. Your vocabulary, everything is diverted towards CLAT. So जब when you are going to give mocks, things are going to click it. क्योंकि इतना सारा you have to do it in 2 hours. So that is what you have to go for. Now the third most important part which comes is attending of the lectures. Now this is one thing which all my students have not been doing it properly, and also you might have been taking it very casually ki theek hai, I'm gonna watch the recorded lectures, I'll go into the classes maybe 1 day a week or 2 day a week. Don't do that. Attend your lectures regularly. It may be the case that one of the day in a month or 2 days in a month you might not be able to attend. So those lectures will not only help you to upgrade your knowledge, but uski jo consistency hai, continuity is going to be maintained. That is what should be your focus area. तो इसीलिए regular in your legal, LR, English, quant, current affair lectures, don't see कि बाद में होगा, I'll gonna watch it up. No, everything will going to come as a burden. इसलिए यहाँ पे point 1 option जो आपने बोला था, I'm gonna start now, I'm gonna spread the load. So spread the load. If you don't watch the lectures right now, you watch it later on, what it becomes a backlog, and then it comes on your back like a pressure. So please understand that thing. So each class revise within the same day, 30-40 minutes. So it's like today you attended the lecture, you close the class and you go. No, just take half an hour, revise the topics, or maybe 10-15 minutes, it would be easy. Redo your class questions once. If there is a practice part which has happened, like 25, 30, 50 questions have happened in your class, please go through those questions, the explanation, and most importantly, when you are solving questions, there are options 1, 2, 3, 4. Why this option is correct, write the reason besides it. So that you already have an explanation in your books या आपके जो भी the study material you have, but that explanation is a helping hand in the class. Whatever discussion happened, write it somewhere in bullet points so that when you revise them on the same day, it will going to click why that answer was wrong. Because my overall structuring of the brain has to be that way that I need to start eliminating all the options. So इसीलिए ये important बनता है. Next is mark doubts for the next session. Now this is what a lot many students are not coming into. Why it's happening? Because that we are studying, वो explanation दिया था, we understood. No, you should question, because the field law is actually requiring you to question why this is not happening, why the laws have not been implemented. We have environmental pollution laws, but still there is pollution everywhere in the world, everywhere in the country. Laws are there, why it's not been implemented, or why the execution is so weak. You have to put questions. So if you have doubts, you read it but still you have doubt, don't just console yourself कि मुझे आ गया, I have understood it. No, don't do that. Okay, so consistency is anytime better than intelligence. You say कि I know everything, it's okay, but you need to remain consistent. Slowly, steadily will only in CLAT going to win the race. Okay, so this is important. Now the common area, the last one which talks about is the balance. Now you need to make a proper balance. You have to vision it up कि भाई school है, exams are going to be there, your projects are going to be there, assignments are going to be there, vivas are going to be there. You have to balance everything. Now this is for the very first time in your life you're going to do it. How? School है, classes है, and tuitions है, and then homework है, and you have only 24 hours. So you have to divide it properly. So let's say you will start, so it's a fixed non-negotiable class slots daily. That means I have to do it whether it is 30 minutes, 20 minutes or 15 minutes, but I will touch my CLAT books. That is most important. Okay? So 1 hour and a half hour on weekdays, please keep that in mind because you have schools and everything. Consistent hua. This is besides your classes. It's not like I have attended the lecture, so now it's done. No. Okay? 3 to 4 hours on weekends because you have more time. Maybe you have Saturday off, Sunday to off ho gayi, but maybe you have Saturday off. Now there is again a thing. In the month you might come across so many national holidays or some regional holidays as well. तो छुट्टियां मिलती ही हैं. कभी कभी कितनी छुट्टी होती है, इट्स लाइक गुड फ्राइडे, क्रिसमस, दिवाली, दशहरा, सो मेनी हॉलीडेज, मे बी फॉर ईद, एवरीथिंग देयर इज, मतलब फॉर एवरी इवेंट देयर इज अ हॉलीडे. फिर स्कूल में देयर आर इवेंट्स गोइंग ऑन, बी पार्टिसिपेटिव बट डोंट जस्ट निग्लेक्ट एवरीथिंग. Okay, so this is one important thing. Weekends में 3 to 4 hours, weekday में 1.5 hour. Use small pockets for your time. So maybe it's like, sir, I'm traveling right now, I'm going somewhere. It's okay. Travel करो तो what? You have a habit. Please, short current affairs notes or any videos or the notes. Make small notes on your phone. Just go through it. You can read your newspaper. You have snippets. कितनी सारी apps हैं. And IMS is going to come up with something new in the next coming months. So wait for it. That will be explicitly for CLAT 27 को भी help करेगा. But वो later on होगा. But till the time it is not there, then please work onto that. ठीक है. When you have breaks like, now it's like maybe like winter vacation, summer vacation, what you are going to do is your vocab and GK flashcards ऐसे कुछ बना लो खुद से अपने पास whenever you have less time onto part. ठीक है. Now during school exam weeks, what do you have to do? Reduce CLAT load, but you don't have to ignore it completely. मुझे नहीं पढ़ना, ये नहीं करना है. You have to focus on, don't stop completely. You need to reduce the load. Okay, ठीक है, मैं 15-20 minutes I'm gonna do. उससे क्या होगा? होगा. It will gonna help. Daily 15 minutes of exercise will help you after 6 months. But 30 days complete exercise and then not doing anything for the next 5 months will not going to help. ठीक है. Minimum reading or GK for 20. So you can just reduce time, reduce your load, but don't completely stop, because you'll say, sir, for 20 days I have exam, that's why I was not attending. This is not the right attitude. If you actually aim, because if you have this dream, sir, it's a clear cut, I want to crack CLAT, this is something which I feel and I aspire for, and that's the only dream, then you will work the way I have told you. Okay, so now how does your entire day look like? Now this is not the daily plan, you have to achieve it somewhere. So this is the last part of the session only, ki I have to say ki 20 to 30 minutes I read editorial. If it is okay, if you can give 1 hour. But in the entire week, 3 to 4 hours is okay. Entire week I'm talking about. That means someday half an hour, someday 1 hour. So focus has to be 1 hour editorial reading, vocabulary and headlines. This is most important. Then my conceptual practice needs to be there. You can pick one section daily, half an hour to 1 hour. So मैंने 1 hour लिखा था. These are the extreme maximum time limit. इतना करना ही है. Okay. Then 2 hours, so including your class and self revision. So if you have 1.5 hour of lecture, उसके बाद half an hour का revision, 2 hours का हो गया. Maybe if you have 2 hours of class, it's okay. थोड़ा बहुत 10-15 का revision, it's okay. Then 1 hour sectional mock plus analysis. So this is after the mocks, but we're going to come up with a strategy ki how to go for a mock when you start writing the mocks. Right now, few of the students must have written the mocks, but analysis part becomes most important. So उस पे deep video आएगा ही. Drop into the comments, let us know कि yes sir we want it. So if you say yes sir we want it, multiple things है ना, बहुत सारे questions I've asked, सबके comments मुझे चाहिए. If you'll put up the comment, then we'll come up with that video. ठीक है. And the last one is 15-20 minutes of your daily walking, talking to your mentor in a week or so, it's fine, but daily 15-20 minutes of your own time. ठीक है. So if you have reached to this particular video till end, so we appreciate, we thank you so much everyone for watching this video. And if you have still not hit the like button, please do hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel, because IMS Get Set Law team is putting up so much of efforts to bring a value addition to all the CLAT aspirants and even for the law aspirants also. So till then, Siddhant sir signing off. Jaldi वापस मिलेंगे guys. Bye bye. Take care. Wish you all the best.